Hello everybody, my name is Ryan, and today we are gonna open my chests or my monthly bonus on Mineplex. I'm here with my sister, and we're gonna be opening it. So let's go get it. I'll have that from Carl the Creeper and my monthly bonus. Let's go. Okay, let's open this one. First, we'll go mythical chest. Okay, let's go. 4 chests to open. I'm ready. 1, 2. Wait, they're coming from behind. Oh god. Okay, I'll open this. Oh, I already have it. Dang it. What's this? I already have it. TNT and... It's really laggy. Jeez. Whoa, it's something new. What is it? What is it? Wait, balloons? What? Wait, let's see it. Let's see it. What? I didn't know. They're balloons. Oh my god, no way. This is amazing. It's a squid. My squid balloon. Yay. That's so funny. That's amazing. Alright. Aw, he stole our spot. Let's go to another, I guess. Let's go to this one. A mythical. I still got my squid balloon. We'll open it together, squid. Boring. Oh, I already have it. Fireworks and boom. Aw, flush hooks. Aw, at least I got shards from duplicates. Next we'll open Omega. We'll do illuminated. Okay, yeah. Eternal. Okay, first chest that spawns I'm gonna open. What is it? Come on, be something good. Aw, what? Yes! Another. Wait, what happened? Oh, never mind. I remember you can only open one. Alright, let's open the second one. Activate it. You could have 10 at a time. What? I didn't even know this. Huge update. Arrows. Ah, yes, I don't have it. Yay. Alright. Let's get the other balloon. Yay. Whee. I got balloons. Alright, last one. Omega. Ready for Omega? I am. Okay. Hopefully I get something really good. It's gotta be something that I don't have. Okay. Here you go. Gotta pick a good one. Okay. And this one. Wear a love struck. Oh, it's a hat. I got a new hat. Wait, let's wear it. Hats. What is it called? Love struck. I have heart eyes. Yay. We both have it. Yay. That's funny. I like that. I'll use that on Valentine's Day. Let's just make sure we don't have any more. No. No. Oh, freedom treasure. I haven't seen that yet. Nope. No. Done. That was fun. I got my balloons. That was so cool. Wait, wanna play a mini game? Wanna play a mini game? Let's play a mini game. With my balloons. Me too. Ooh, he got a rare baby wolf balloon. I'm just gonna fly around the lobby. That's what I'm gonna do. Until the lag calms down. Okay. Oh no, explosions! Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you enjoyed me opening my treasure or my monthly bonus for January, I think. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.